Assalamu alaikum students. I'm Mr. Saidullah Khan is talking to you today. Today I brought a topic dialogue writing on many requests. The many students have made me a lot of requests to write a dialogue, especially some teachers also requested me to write a dialogue writing and just upload on your YouTube channels. So my students, I don't want to say it's my channel, it's now your channel and then you will promote it. I'm just describing a dialogue writing in front of you. I'm Mr. Saidullah Khan, your YouTuber. And now listen dialogue right in this video you will learn the tips of dialogue writing and the format of dialogue writing as well as the exemplary dialogue. Okay, now let's see the dialogue writing tips. The tips of dialogue writing. First, explain the dialogue, what dialogue is. Actually, dia means two and log means speech. Dialogues means the speech between two or more than two people, especially two people. Dialogue is basically a conversation between two or more people. In fiction, it is a verbal conversation between two or more conversation, and sometimes it is a self-talking dialogue. It's a self-talking dialogue. They are known as a monologue. When the person do self-talking, then it is called monologue. Okay, mono means one, log means again speech, one man speech, that is called monologue. But we are talking about here dialogue. Okay, now tips to remember dialogue. How can you remember the dialogues? The tips. Number one, students need to read the preceding and the following dialogues. To read the preceding and the following dialogue means to read what you are going to write and the next dialogue what should be. Okay? And number two, they must understand the topic well and make points. Before writing, try to understand or decipher the topic which you are going to write and then make some points on your rough page. Number three, the tenses should be accurate according to the dialogue. Which was the topic you have been given, your dialogue accordance in accordance with that. Okay? And number four, it should seem a natural conversation. It shouldn't seem to be a, we can say, the unnatural. Okay, it should be natural. Okay, not fabricated. Number five, the words used should not be vague and should convey the message. Vague means irrelevant. Okay, should not be relevant or means inconvenient or unmatched words. Do not use these type of words. Okay, next, tips to write dialogues. Tips, what are the tips? Also some tips over here. Now number one, speak out the dialogue loudly as it will help you resonate on your own dialogue and make you understand how will it sound to the reader. First you read your dialogue and then it will come in your mind how to write another dialogue. Okay, read louder. Number two, keep your dialogue brief and impactful, and as adding extra details will only deviate the reader's mind from the main points. Okay, means you will have to write a dialogue briefly. Okay, and it should be impact of the reader's mind. Number three, give each character a unique way of talking or voice. It will add extra character traits and readers can identify the character just by reading his dialogue. Next, while writing the dialogue, always remember whom the dialogue is being addressed to. Keep in your mind to whom you are going to address. Okay, whether it is a boy, whether it's a girl, whether it's an elder person, whether it's a teacher, friend, okay, or your shopkeeper, or any other of the person. So you'll have to keep in your mind to whom you are going to dialogue, means you to whom you are going to dialogue, to whom you are going to talk. means his designation, his status. Okay, inshallah, then you will be able to write a correct dialogue. Okay, next, dialogue should not be lengthy and confusing for the readers, as through the dialogue only the story movies. Okay, next, format of dialogue writing. When you're going to write, make a format of dialogue writing, so your format of dialogue writing should be on this pattern: new paragraph for every speaker. Paragraph means here the sum, means another, you are using another person as a dialogue, so you will use another para. Okay, don't put the dialogue in another para. Okay, put the dialogue in another para. Dialogues paragraph should be even separated. Okay, each speaker gets a new para. Each time a speaker says something, you have to put in a fresh para. Okay, even if it is just a one word. Getting? And number two, punctuations come under quotations mark. All the punctuations used with dialogue must be put under the quotes. Okay. And number three, remove and quote if the paragraph is long. If the paragraph is long, so remove the end quote. Okay. If the paragraph of the dialogue is too long and you need to change the paragraph, then there is no need to put end quote. Okay. End quote means there's no need to put another one. Okay. Number four, dialogue tags. What are the dialogue tags? Dialogue tags are such as he says, she says, are always written outside the dialogue and is separated by a comma. Okay, and when dialogue ends in a questions or exclamation mark, takes that follow start in the lower case. For example, he says, comma, and quotation mark, we should start our own business, full stop, and then again quotation mark. Okay, you can use like this. And use single quotation mark to quote something with a dialogue. If you have to quote something within a dialogue, we should put single quote, as double quotes are already enclosing the main dialogue. For example, Bill said, and here we don't put the double quote. Okay, look at it carefully. Shouted, Bill shouted, comma, then we don't put the double quote, we put the single quote, Bo, and then silent exclamation, then single quote. Okay, then you lost the game, full stop. Getting? Understood? And then after game you will put another double quotations. I have forgotten, you please put it down. Okay, it is missed in writing. Okay, next, number 6, the dialogue ends with an ellipsis. Means if the dialogue ends with an ellipsis, we should not add a comma or any other punctuation. For example, she stared at the sunset, full stop, and double quotation mark, I guess you'll go back to doing what you do, and I will double quote, her voice drifted off. Okay, then we do not add a comma over here, her voice. Okay, then we do not put a comma. Getting? Next, exemplary S means dialogue. Write a dialogue between you and your teacher about which course to study at vacations. Okay. Number 1, child. It means here student. Child. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Comma. How are you? Then question mark. Teacher. I am completely fine. Full stop. What about you? And student, I was wondering which course to learn in my vacation. Look at the sequence. How should we start and how should we proceed it? Teacher, it can be confusing with so many points online. You should make a list and narrow it down as per your interest. The teacher guided him. Next, the student, I have tried that, but still I am left with 3 points, three options: artificial intelligence, machine learnings, or data science. Now, teacher, well, then silent exclamation. All of them are very interesting courses, comma. But as far as I remember, you have always been interested in artificial intelligence. Okay? Then full stop. Student, yes, I do, because I feel it is our future. Full stop. Teacher, well, then it's no harm in pursuing it. And later, if you find it less interesting, you can always switch. Full stop. Student, yes, it sounds like a great idea. Thanks. And you can also thank you, sir. Teacher, okay. Teacher should say okay. Here it completes, okay. Now I think so you have understood how to write a dialogue. Your dialogue should be a complete sets of, okay. Now, my dear students, I do hope inshallah you will be able to write a dialogue by yourself, okay, inshallah. Please convey and share this video to the all and as much as you can in your groups, and pray for me and pray for my mother who has passed away from this world. Inshallah, will meet you very soon in the next video. Be happy and always try to make others happy. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.